Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Kasaringga, and today I'm going to present a summary of a journal. Today I will be representing an academic summary of the journal article titled Studi tentang perilaku konsumen beserta implikasinya terhadap keputusan pembelian, or in English, Study on Consumer Behavior and its Implication for Purchasing Decision. The author of this critical work is Toto Subianto, and it was published in the journal Ekonomi Modernisasi, Vol 3, number 3 in October 27. This paper provides a foundational theoretical examination of how consumers make buying decisions. The central term of this research is driven by the modern market context, the abstract highlight that the current environment of free trade has intensified business competition. In this intense competition, mandates that business actors must be more discerning and sharper in identifying market opportunities and understanding the consumer behavior that drives their target market. The primary objective of the study is clear for marketing managers who are spearhead of the marketing department. Understanding consumer behavior is the key to success in marketing activities. The author specifically aims to theoretically examine the understanding of consumer behavior in making purchasing decision for any service or product. The methodology used in this journal is conceptual study or literature review. The paper aim wasn't to collect new primary data, but rather to provide a comprehensive review and theoretical examination of consumer purchasing decision. The author relies on synthesizing and analyzing established academic model and theories from prominent marketing experts such as Kotler, Mangkunegara, Swasta, and Handoko to classify and explain the factors that influence purchasing decision. The journal key finding center on comprehensive conceptual framework for understanding the consumer decision making process, such as the core process of purchasing decision and factor influencing behavior. The core process of purchasing decision. The study identifies that consumers typically follow a 5-stage problem-solving process when making a purchase. Number 1, need recognition. The consumer first identify a problem and unfulfilled need. Information search. They then actively seek information from various sources to solve that need. Number 3, evaluation and alternative. The consumer compare different products or services based on attributes like price, quality, and brand. Number 4, the purchase decision. This is the actual decision to select and acquire the product or service. Number 5, post-purchase behavior. Finally, the consumer evaluate their satisfaction or dissatisfaction with the purchase, which influence future buying decision. This entire stage process is governed by two main categories of variable: internal or psychological factor and external or environmental factor. Starting with the internal or intrapersonal factor, these are rooted in the individual's mind and physique. They include motivation, which can be rational or emotional, perception, how the individual interpret information and stimuli, learning, the change in behavior resulting from experience, personality and self-concept, how person sees themselves, and attitude, a learned, consistent tendency to react positively or negatively to an offering. Next are the external or environmental factor which stem from the consumer and environment and social group. These are sorry these are culture and subculture which set the broad norms and ways of life, social class which involve group with similar value, interest and attitude, social group including reference group which are group a person identifies with no wishes to belong to, and finally the family, which is the primary purchasing unit. This framework emphasizes that a purchase is rarely made in isolation. It is a complex interaction between these two major sets of influences. The discussion section strongly focused on the managerial relevance of these factors. For example, when considering the family factor, manager must specifically identify who act as the initiator, the influencer, the decider, or the buyer for a particular product, because each member has different tastes and roles. For the conclusion, the paper stressed that the success of marketing activities is wholly depend on a manager knowledge of how consumer make purchasing decision. A deep understanding of consumer behavior is essential to comprehend the needs, wants, and expectations of the target market. The paper's final synthesis is that consumer behavior driven by this complex internal and external factor is the foundation upon which effective marketing strategies must be built to ensure the company succeeds and maintains market share. That concludes my presentation on this journal summary. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this discussion provide useful insight into how consumer behavior and its implication for purchasing decision. Thank you.